Hi everybody, I just wanted to hop on and let you all know that I have started another YouTube channel. The channel is for my journey, my weight loss journey. I joined Weight Watchers a couple weeks ago and I thought I would share the progress with you. I know on my art channel people leave comments and they say how my video has inspired them to create, and they appreciate it and they enjoy it, and that is awesome. And I thought, what if I could do the same thing for people when it comes to weight loss? Like, I'm not a professional in anything. Like, I'm just a girl who is overweight, and I'm trying to lose the weight, and not for vanity. That is an added bonus, you know, looking better, but it's mostly for health. I don't want the years to go by and for me to remain overweight or to gain more weight and have health issues. So I'm trying to now, while I'm in my early 40s, to nip it in the butt and just get better, get healthier. And if I can help anybody to do the same thing, or just to help them not feel like they're alone in it. It's amazing when you start talking to people how you'll hear, oh my gosh, me too. I feel the same way. I thought I was the only one. And it's like, no, you're not alone. Like, I'm sure there's so many of us that could share stories and totally relate to one another. So if you have any interest in even just like recipes, like, because sometimes I will share recipes that I've tried and that I like, that are healthy, and I'll be sharing with you how I do at my Weight Watcher meetings, good or bad. It's not going to be an all good YouTube channel. Like, weight loss, it's hard. There's going to be hard times, there's going to be struggles. It's not going to be all, I don't know, like, it's not going to be one big party, because there will be a week where I gain, or I might hit a plateau and stay at the same weight for a while. And sharing that, it not only helps others, it's going to help me too, because talking to you guys, that's going to make me accountable. I can't give up on myself if I have other people watching, right? So we're here to help each other. So if you have any interest in, like I said, in eating better and just commiserating, sharing yays and not so great things about weight loss, you just want some help or some tips, just head on over, check it out. And it's new, there's only one video so far. There might be another one later tonight, but it's a learning process, so we'll see what the channel brings. So I hope to see you over there, and if you do come over, drop a comment and say hi and let me know that you came over. I look forward to seeing you all. Bye. So the name of the other YouTube channel is Getting Fabulush. You got it right, Lush. So my name, Denise Lush, is still attached to it, and I will insert a picture to show you what the header of my channel looks like and my profile picture, so you know you found it.